Well, hello there. This is June the 25th, and this happens to be a beautiful Tuesday. Andreas and I had a chance to really work today. This is what we're going to be doing. This is give you the roughie on what the Bestioni, the Fiat, looks like. We've added another 6 plugs, so this now has 18 plugs. And I want you to see this. This will be just about 17 and a half feet long. It's not real giant, but you're going to be up in 7 feet or so in the air. Andreas, why don't you go sit in the seat for a second so you can get an idea of the size of this. It's 14 liters. I think you'll get a kick out of it. We've got a lot to do, but this is it right here. We want to keep you up to date on it. And this right here is the battery box. And the cowl, we've got another, the cowl will come to this point here. And of course this will all be filled in, but you'll get a chance to see how everything works. And anyhow, this is what we're doing. We're getting everything put together, the front axles and the brakes. Andre's got all of that done. Everything's going well. So anyway, this is Bestioni number 8. Our salute to the great Fiat 1911 S76, the Beast of Turin.